All right, this is my last video for the night. In this video, I'll show you the coupon code for the FIMI A3. If you look at my other videos, I've also recently posted one for the X8 and the Zino, the Hubsan Zino. So first thing you'll do is go to my link down in the description, and here it is here. And there's the A3. And we'll go ahead. You have to select the GWTR warehouse. So you're not going to be able to get it from the USA for that sale price. You'll have to get it from one of the China warehouses. So go ahead and add to cart. And then view it in cart. So there I have one in the cart. I'll put in this coupon code, which is BG FIMI A329. Hit apply, and there you go. We've taken $68.99 off, and it is now $229. All right, stay tuned for more coupons and reviews, and we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot.